Hi everyone, this is going to be the short lesson for Friday, and we are coming into the final stretch of the quarter. And after this one, we're only going to have two more things left. Don't forget about the Google Meet on Monday at 2 o'clock. We're going to go over scams and identity theft, and then we're going to have a project that's left. So I would take advantage of these few weeks and make up any work that you owe. Feel free to do a Google Meet with me one-on-one because I'd be more than happy to help you with anything that you need. So this lesson is about bandwidth, and that's data that could be transmitted in a fixed amount of time. So here's a video and I'll show it to you. It's only about a minute, I think.
Today on Tech Talk, understanding
So that's pretty much what bandwidth is. It's just your internet speed. Now these are called internet browsers. So Firefox is a browser, Safari's in on a Mac, and we use Chrome all the time. So Google is not a browser. Um, Opera, Mozilla, Internet Explorer. URL means Uniform Resource Locator. So it's a location or address identifying where documents can be found on the internet. And the URL has two parts to it. Protocol identifier for the URL, like example.com, the protocol identifier is this part right here. And the resource name is this part right here. So here's another quick video on it. Now, we've covered some of these through the class already. We talked about a domain name. We talked about extensions. So if you're going to do web design in high school, these are the names and terms that you need to be familiar with. And actually, that's it. It's really short. You guys have a great weekend, and I'm going to post it today on Thursday early. And so you have plenty of time to catch up on any assignments that you haven't yet. Please look at your trackers. And remember, the email quiz is going to be graded twice. It's about 16 questions. Okay, you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday at 2 o'clock with the Google Meet.